called Brush It On.
There you go. Okay, so we are gonna film another grocery haul for y'all today. We went to Smith's and Trader Joe's. It's me, my sister Emily, the one that was just here, you guys know her, and my other sister Kellyanne. So we will show you guys what we got. I will go first. We'll start with, you got better stuff than me.
I did.
You got good stuff. Okay, so first we'll start with Trader Joe's. So the first thing I got, which I already ate because I was hungry, was this Tarragon chicken salad wrap. It was so good. It's definitely not a sweet chicken salad. Emily got one too, but she can show you in hers. But that's what it originally looks like. But it was really good. You definitely need something salty with it, so I will throw that out there. But it was $3.99, and it says white chicken meat with celery, almonds, parsley, tarragon, and romaine lettuce in a flour tortilla. So I enjoyed this. I ate the whole thing. Carbs kind of high. That's fine. Okay, the next thing I got was, which I also ate with it, were these Ridge Cut sweet potato chips. I love sweet potatoes. I love sweet potato fries. I love anything sweet potato. So I got these, and these were $1.99. Super good deal, and they're super yummy. But you will not like them if you do not like sweet potatoes, because they definitely taste like a sweet potato. Just saying. Garbage. The next thing I got was garbage. This rigatoni authentic is pasta, normal pasta, 99 cents. I'm gonna create something with it. And then I got some more of these. This apple walks into a bar, cereal bars. They're really good. I've had the strawberry, and this is the apple one, so I'll let you know how I like these ones. These were $1.99. $1.99? Kellyanne, were they $1.99? $1.99, right? Yeah, $1.99 for 6 bars. So that's pretty good. I just like to keep them at my desk at the gym. That way, while I get hungry, I can just snack on one. So that's the next thing I got. And then I got another one of these chicken enchilada made with white chicken with 2 enchiladas on them. This was $1.99 as well. Comes with 2 in it. And then some sweet potato fries. Yummy. So that's all I got from Trader Joe's. Now at Smith's, I got some natural ground turkey, 93% lean, 7% fat. I'll probably use this with this and some marinara like sauce and make like a noodle thing. And then use the other half for just like tacos or something, because I like ground turkey. And then I got some more chicken. I get this, I swear, in every grocery haul I pick up chicken. But this one was on sale. It's the Heritage Farms brand. I don't know, boneless. Yeah, chicken. Just bought a bunch of chicken. And then I got, I thought I had another bag. Oh, I already put, I got a thing of eggs, but no, they're in here. Oh, I lost a bag. Okay. Oh, it's right here. So, next thing I got was this coffee creamer. Always have to have that. It's the Cinnabon one. This is like my favorite. I rebought this one because I love it. It's so good. So I bought that. That was $3 and like 69 cents. I picked up 2 bangs because I love them. Peach mango and the pina colada one. My favorite's actually the cherry limeade one. That one's really good. I'll use that for a garbage bag. And then I got a bag of cheese because I haven't had cheese in the house in a long time and I hate it. And then I got 1 organic green bell pepper. Not that I really care that it's organic, I probably should, but it's only 20 cents more for organic, so I said, might as well. You know. And then an organic squash and zucchini because I love these. Now I wish I would have got mushrooms, but I didn't. These were $1.79 each, organic as well. It was only like 8 cents more, so I did organic. So I can feel better about myself. And then I got these Nature Valley biscuits with coconut butter. I have these ones, but they're with the almond butter, and I absolutely love them, and I love coconut, so I thought I'd try these ones. These were $3.29, and then since I'm a Fresh Values customer, I got 30 cents off, so that was nice. And then I just got a carton of eggs. I'm gonna half boil a 1/4 of them and leave the other normal. Okay, so that's everything that I got from Smith's. You wanna go? Yeah, come do yours.
I'm shy.
Don't be shy. Come on. You have your own YouTube channel. Come on. Oh, I forgot one last thing. A stalk of celery. Because okay, this is really disgusting, but I'm going to say it anyways. So I put celery in salads, like when I make like my homemade salads and stuff. But I made a ham sandwich the other day with like tomatoes and pickles and green onions and real onions. And then I put celery on it and it was really good. So, picked up more of this. Your turn. This is Emily.
So, as you can tell, I'm a health queen. I eat so healthy. I'm an organic queen. I go to Whole Foods all the time. So my expertise is going to be very good. I got a bang. Here's the thing. I have anxiety about caffeine, so I'm scared to drink this.
She really does. As we were sitting at the grocery store, she says, Lindsay, is this going to kill me? And I said,
scared.
No, Emily, you'll be fine. I was like, you're not supposed to go over 450 milligrams or whatever of caffeine a day is what Sam, shout out to Sam Ball, one of the personal trainers at my gym that I work at he said that, and I was drinking like 4 of these a day, not a good idea. So if you have one of these, just sip on it all day long. The bangs are more of like a pre-energy or a pre-workout energy drink. So just if you have one, just sip on it all day long, and then it's more like energy all day.
Well, great. I got cotton candy flavor. My friend let me try a sip of hers, and it was really good. Okay, so I was so excited about these cheese bites. Oven-baked cheese bites, right? That sounds so good, but I think they're absolutely disgusting.
Where are these from? Trader Joe's?
Yeah, they're from Trader Joe's.
Okay, so the bang was from Smith's. This is from Trader Joe's.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Gotta go in order. But Lindsay liked it.
Yeah, I like these. They're really strong of Asiago, so if you don't like Asiago, you won't like these.
Yeah, it tasted moldy to me, but I guess cheese it's mold, so. Okay, going along with Trader Joe's, these are my 2 favorite salads from there. This is the barbecue chicken salad, and this one's the harvest salad with grilled chicken. I love both of these. I like a lot of their salads. I will say I don't like the Cobb one because I don't like blue cheese. But if you like blue cheese, you'd like it. But these are my 2 favorite ones. And then I'm going to try these turkey meatballs. They're pre-cooked because guess what? I also have anxiety about cooking meat. So,
still on Trader Joe's.
Yeah, still on Trader Joe's. So I have to get pre-cooked stuff. But I'm going to try those. And then I got
those actually look really good.
Pre-cooked chicken breasts. I got a lemon one and a grilled balsamic vinegar and rosemary one.
That sounds good.
Because I can just pop these in the microwave or oven for dinner. And
how much were these? Do you remember?
Yeah, they were, I don't know.
Oh.
And then I got just some frozen broccolis that I can steam to eat with those. And then also I got organic peeled carrots and then just like some fruit, organic strawberries and I got a Honeycrisp and a Fuji apple. And then these are also my favorite things to take for lunches because I don't cook. So these are so convenient. I have Italian style wrap and I also got the Tarragon chicken one. And I haven't tried this one, but Lindsay said it was good. This is my favorite wrap, the Italian one. And it comes with like a little honey mustard or Dijon, whatever, dressing in the bottom of this one. So I love those. And I usually just take those with some veggies and a few chips because they're not all perfect. So great. And then from Smith's, I just got some salsa.
Organic.
And this pineapple was only 97 cents. My friend Kellyanne got one, and so I copied her.
And they're cute, and they were really ripe. So a little FYI, the best way to know if your pineapple's ready to cut is when you pull out one of the middles. If you have to kind of tug, it's not ready. If it comes right out, bing, it's ready.
That's all I got.
No, you didn't show your pickles.
Oh my gosh, I also got a jar of pickles.
She got pickles.
I better show you! I love to just eat a pickle.
And her strawberries and raspberries.
And I told them about the strawberries.
So she also got some Driscoll raspberries and Driscoll strawberries. Thanks for watching our grocery haul. If you guys have anything at Trader Joe's that you love, comment down below and let us know and we'll pick it up because we go, and Kellyanne, every Sunday.
Also, I just want to say, if you're fat like me and you're scared to go there, just do it.
Do it.
It's okay.
Thanks for
Every
watching.
step counts. Bye.